At the bottom of our oceans, life forms older than the dinosaurs carry chemical blueprints we've only just begun to decode. Sponges, corals, microbes that glow in the dark. Some have been found to stop cancer cells dead in their tracks. But rising ocean temperatures, deep-sea mining, and pollution are wiping them out faster than science can keep up. This isn't science fiction. This is one of the greatest missed opportunities in human history, and almost no one is talking about it. The deep-sea pharmacy. The ocean isn't just the planet's largest ecosystem. It's also the largest untapped reservoir of medical compounds. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, over 70% of Earth's surface is ocean, yet we've explored less than 20% of it. And within that mysterious expanse lie over 2 million species, many still undiscovered. But some we have found are already changing medicine. Real example. Halichandrin B, a compound from a deep-sea sponge off New Zealand, is now the basis for eribulin, a chemotherapy drug for breast cancer. Bryostatin, found in a sea creature called Bugula neratina, is being tested for Alzheimer's and HIV. Ziconotide, derived from cone snail venom, is 1,000 times more powerful than morphine with no risk of addiction. All of these came from obscure marine life, creatures you'd never see in a textbook or even a scuba dive. Why the ocean is a treasure chest of cures. Why does the ocean hold such medical potential? Because thriving underwater requires precision at the molecular level. Deep-sea creatures evolve extreme toxins to paralyze prey in pitch-black waters. Sponges produce chemical defenses to keep bacteria, fungi, and predators at bay. Coral reefs are chemical battlegrounds, where organisms have evolved potent compounds over millions of years. Think of it this way. Nature has been running the most advanced pharmaceutical lab on Earth for hundreds of millions of years, in total silence. We're just now cracking open the door to the ocean's greatest secrets. Pharmaceutical giants aren't ignoring this. They're quietly tapping into the ocean's hidden pharmacy, racing to harvest its untold chemical secrets. Many are investing millions into marine bioprospecting, the search for novel compounds in ocean organisms. Roche, Pfizer, and Merck all fund deep-sea research. The U.S. National Cancer Institute has screened over 50,000 marine samples. Japan, Australia, and Norway are actively collecting sea sponges and invertebrates. But here's the catch. Most of this work is secretive. Many findings are buried under corporate patents, and indigenous communities who live near these resources are often cut out of the conversation. So while the ocean might be curing us, we're not all benefiting equally. The clock is ticking. Here's where things get terrifying. Many of the species being studied for medicine are dying faster than we can study them. Ocean warming is bleaching coral reefs, killing sponges, and altering marine DNA. Pollution, especially from oil, plastic, and toxic runoff, is mutating or poisoning entire species. Deep-sea mining is ripping up untouched habitats before we even know what's there. According to a 2020 UN report, we could lose up to 90% of coral reefs by 2050, taking their undiscovered medicines with them. This isn't just environmental loss. It's a medical extinction event, happening in real time. Secret discoveries the public was never told. Some of the most promising ocean-based drug discoveries have never reached the public eye. Why? Because they were too expensive, too rare, or politically controversial. Here are some examples. Eleutherin, a coral-derived compound that stopped cancer cells in lab trials, was so rare it was shelved. Only recently are synthetic versions being developed. Certain deep-sea bacteria were found to reverse antibiotic resistance in lab animals, but funding dried up, while superbugs keep evolving. A jellyfish protein that regenerates nerve cells in mice mysteriously disappeared from published trials. Could it be politics? Corporate secrecy? Or just lack of funding? We may never know. Time is running out, but it's not over. Every time scientists go into deep water, they're still finding brand new species. The ocean could save us, but only if we save it first. Because the next cure for Alzheimer's or cancer might still be alive, in an ocean we haven't looked at yet. While we search the stars, the true miracle may rest beneath our oceans, wrapped in silence. Let's not lose it before we find it. Subscribe for more untold science stories. Comment below, should we be exploring the oceans more than space?